Is the screen visible, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the user defined function, one more concept we need to understand, that is the parameters. Parameters also we call them arguments. What is that? See, in a single program, let's say I have a function named sum. I have a function named sum. It might be possible that I have another function with same name, but I am having one argument, integer argument. It might be possible. It might be possible I have the same name function in my program, but it contains two parameters. It might be possible I have the same name function, it contains one argument, but its character. So this is the beauty of the C programming or the programming concept actually, where you can have the same name for your function, but your parameters may be different. It might be possible. So if it is asked that is all these functions are same or not, in that case all are different. The reason is name of the function same, but the parameters are different. So in that case it might be the question that this both the function contains one argument. In that case the next step is, but the data type is different. So someone asked me about the declaration, right? That why we need to declare. This is the reason. See, here I have four functions with the same name. Then how the compiler will come to know that which function I need to call? For example, let's say we have a student in our class. Let's say we have three students in our class, and all the names Ritu. Three students and with the same name. Then how will I call them, guys? I have three students with the same name, and if I say Ritu, means which Ritu I am talking about. So what I need to mention?
Their surname.
Surname. Like now let's say that is Ritu Shah. Then again two Ritu Shah we have, and then Patel, let's say. So in that case, again two Ritusha I have. Then what I need to mention?
Their roll number.
Roll number or their father name or like that. Means I need more
Yeah.
parameters, right? I need more parameters. And the similar case with this thing, because we have same name. So first compiler will check for the name of the function. If it finds similar name, then it will go for the number of argument. So number of arguments. Okay, after that Hello, am I audible, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now you're
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
audible.
okay. What was my last statement you heard? Okay, so we were talking about the uh, order of the compiler. So the first it will check for the name, then it will if it finds the same name, it will go for the number of arguments, and then it will go for the type of the parameters. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, any query?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it is fine if we use the same name of the variable as a
Hmm.
function.
No, it will give an error. Yeah, and one more thing, the naming convention for the variable, sorry, naming convention for the function are similar to the variable name. It will not give actually error, but it is not actually advisable. It may give the warning. It may give the warning because no compiler supports it. But it is advisable to not use the same name for the variable and for the function.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Any other query, doubt? Any queries, guys?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
So, yes.
can you explain it again?
Narendra, whole concept
Yes, yes.
from starting.
From a number of arguments.
Number of arguments.
Yes.
This,
Yes, yes,
Narendra.
yes.
Okay. So, see, whatever we write in the brackets, whatever we write in the brackets, we call it parameter or the arguments. There is no any limit. You can write n number of arguments and parameter depending on the requirement. We will see in the program that what is the actual use of parameters or arguments. Now, when suppose it might be possible that you have a function, same name in your program, but it may have different arguments. So in that case, I can say that I have four different functions in my program. I can say that I have four different functions in my program. The reason is name are same. Yes, name are same. Three different students. The same way, name are same, but four different functions. Why? How I can say that I have four functions? Because we have different arguments. Different arguments. So first, check for the number of arguments and for the type of the arguments. So what will happen when compiler will come to know that okay, I have four functions with the same name. So first it will check for the name of the function. Then if it find the same name, it check for the number argument. Here you can see that here we have one parameter and one
Ma'am,
parameter. So yes,
ma'am, your voice is cutting. It is not clear.
hello everyone. सबको
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is
Yes, sir.
cracking.
Yes,
You're not properly
yes, ma'am.
audible.
hello still.
No,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am.
now it's okay.
Now it's okay, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. Okay. So if you notice that here we have same name, but here one argument and one argument. But fine, both have different data types. So I can consider both as an individual function. But what compiler will understand? Compiler will understand, okay, number of arguments are same. So the next thing it has to check is a type of the parameter. It means integer and character both are different. I cannot write integer over here because it will give an error, because I cannot keep two same functions in my program. It is similar like you cannot declare the same variable name. It is similar like that. Understood, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it was the concept of function and parameters. That's it for today. If you have any query, you can ask.